You did the import into the iPad for photo albums, okay? I wanted to do an import for Keynote.
Okay.
Now,
Keynote being an app running on
there is an app for iPad that is called Keynote that is, it works with the full version of Keynote that you can run on a laptop. And you can actually create your own Keynote presentation on the iPad using whatever photos you may have updated. But in this case, I think there are some limitations on the iPad version of Keynote that I like to do it on the laptop and then import it.
Gotcha.
So these are some images. I don't know if you recall our Niagara shoot.
Yeah.
These are some of the selection. Remember the night that we were...
Oh yeah, that was fun.
Yeah. So these images, I am going to export, select all, and I'm going to come up under the export. Now, I've already created a Keynote preset, and let me highlight some things. I'm going to just put it on the desktop because I'm actually going to import the images into Keynote from Bridge. Okay.
Okay.
You'll see.
I'm watching.
Yeah.
I put on my glasses.
Format is JPEG.
JPEG, sRGB.
Quality 100.
High quality. Yeah.
Now, in this case, unlike what you did for the iPad photo album where you wanted to be able to zoom in,
Right.
in this case, you're kind of locked into doing a 1024 by 768 Keynote presentation. So, and I'm going to sharpen for screen.
Right.
And then basically do nothing else. So I'm going to go ahead and click export. So now I've got the images that have been processed, and I'm browsing them in Bridge.
They're sitting in a directory on your desktop.
Yes. And the reason I wanted to do that is help me figure out the best order. I wasn't sure where to put the, I think that at the end. Do you agree?
Yeah, sure.
So we start in the rain and then end with the fireworks.
Fine.
And, you know, I can move this stuff around.
No, don't.
Okay.
Just get on with it.
Okay. So now what I'm going to do is create a new 1024 by 768.
Okay, now this is in Keynote on your laptop. You've
Yes.
come out of Bridge into Keynote.
Yes.
Okay, 1024, 768, black.
Yeah. This is kind of the sneaky part that makes this all kind of useful. So I'm going to select all and drag and drop.
Smarter than the average bear.
Yeah. So what this allows you to do is literally drag and drop images in the order that you want from Bridge.
Right. But you can move them around over here.
Yes, in Keynote.
Yeah. Okay.
So now what I'm going to do is select all of the slides, and I want to come in and do a transition. I'm going to do dissolve. Dissolve for 1.5 seconds automatically, and then do 2.5 seconds. Okay.
So they're going to display for 2.5 and dissolve for 1.
Yeah. So let me just show you what it's going to look like. It's going to go pretty quick.
Right. Because the Sesame Street generation has a very short attention span.
Yes, I do. So now what
you're supposed to say is, I resemble that remark.
You're only 10 years older than I am, bud.
Okay.
I'm going to save this as on the desktop. I'm going to hide this stuff. I need to go ahead and sync my iPad. So I'm going to go to Apps, Keynote, and here's one that I've already imported, but I'm going to add this new Niagara Keynote.
Oh.
And then I'm going to hit sync.
Okay, that's very clever.
So now I'm going to go ahead and import this, and I'm going to select copy from iTunes.
Right.
And here's the new one that I just updated. Importing presentation. Niagara selects. Okay, now let me go ahead and hit play. This is the thing that you can't do on the iPad app version of the Keynote. You can't really set up the time. You can do the displays, but this actually works quite nicely.
Seems to me that you should be able to do the timing and dissolves and all that. They just didn't build it in.
No.
Okay.
Well, they built the dissolves. You can set the transitions, but you can't set it to autoplay a length of time.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so there's that show. And let me just show you the iPad version. So there is a transition, but you have to tap to change.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, so having a fully automated slideshow, you really need to do it in Keynote.
Yeah, you can add title slides, text slides, and stuff here, but you know, it's just like anything else. The OS environment for the iOS is somewhat frustrated and limited.
Okay.
So that's basically
Well, that's convenient. And that's how you have your portfolio.
Yes.
Yeah, nice. Okay.
So that's basically from Lightroom using Bridge and Keynote on the laptop and then importing it into the iPad.
Good. Well, I learned something.
Okay.